Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that how to reloading of a module. Okay, how to reloading of a module. Just before going to the today concept is finding members of module by using dir function. Okay, today concept is finding members of a module by using dir function. Okay, finding members of module. Okay, finding members of module by using dir function. Okay, finding members of module by using dir function. So before going to the today concept, let me explain the previous concept, reloading of a module. But please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time. Okay, so if you expect logicals and Java and any type of concept with respect to coding also, just please subscribe to my channel and go through the videos daily. You will get the subject, in-depth subject, I'm sure about it. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time. Okay, okay, first. So first of all, we have to understand what is reloading of a module. Normally, by default, module will be loaded only once, even though we are importing multiple times. Okay, by default, a module will be loaded only once, even though we are importing multiple times. So if you are getting what is module means, just refer to the previous video. What is module, you will get an idea. Just here, my concentration is reloading of a module. If you observe here, I'm importing SciMath as a module. Okay, SciMath module I'm importing multiple times and I'm printing this one. This is from test module. But here in SciMath module, these are the information. Okay, these are the one variable, two functions, and two print statements and one calling function. But when I'm using this one, okay, when I'm importing this one, so only this one will be executed only once. Okay, this one will be executed only once because we are importing multiple times. Okay, even though we are importing multiple times, this one will be executed only once. Okay, only once. But the here problem in this approach is even though after reloading of module, if it is updated version, then outside updated version will not be available to our main program. Okay, if it is updated version also, then outside updated version will not be available to our main program. But we can resolve this problem by using from imp import reload function. From imp import reload function. If you observe here, by using this way, okay, by using this way. So how I explained here is by taking time function. Okay, here in the previous example, I have explained that by using from imp import reload function. From imp import reload function. Observe here. So here in this way, I have completed the program because here I'm taking from import reload function. Okay, I'm giving the time sleep 20 seconds because why I'm giving the sleep 20 seconds means in the meantime, okay, in the meantime, if you update any text in the scimath.py, then original module will be executed. Okay, original module will be executed every time. Okay, original module will be executed every time. So this is nothing but from import reload function. Okay, from import reload function, right? Next. So this is the way we can reload the module by using what reload function. Okay, from import reload function test.py. Okay, test.py. Okay, test.py. So this is nothing but we discussed as part of in the last session. This is nothing but we discussed as part of in the last session. Today, finding members of module by using dir function. Okay, finding members of module by using dir function. Normally Python provide inbuilt functions. Okay, Python provide inbuilt function dir function to list out all the members of current module or specified module. Okay, specified module or current module. Okay, specified module or current module. See how we can, that is first let me explain one small program, then I will write the theory, then you will get much clarity. Okay, then you will get much clarity. First what I am doing here means I am taking one variable. I am taking one variable x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Observe carefully. I am taking two variables x is equals to 10 and y equals to 20. After that what I am taking means I am taking one def function. Okay, I am taking one normal function, that is a def. So in that def function what I am taking, I am printing some information hello world. Okay, so here my intention of this concept is finding members of module by using dir function. Okay, finding members of module by using what a dir function. So for that what I am taking one test.py file. Okay, one normal Python file. I am taking two variables, and that one function I am taking f1 function print hello world. Okay, print hello world. Here what I am taking means, observe carefully, print dir function. Okay, print dir function. Dir function is going to list out all the members. Okay, list out all the members of a current working directory. Okay, current working directory. Whenever I'm going to run this program, okay, whenever I'm going to run this program, it is going to display x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, and f1 function, and related additional some information also. Okay, related additional some information also. Observe carefully. If you observe here, annotations, built-ins, and docs file, something extra information it is giving with respect to f1 function, x variable and y variable. Okay, x variable, y variable, and with respect to f1 function also. Clear? F1 function also. Clear, right? Here, what we have to understand from this concept is what we have to understand from this concept is it is providing, okay, it is providing the information f1 function name, x variable and y variable, including that some additional information also, which is not required for us, but internally pvm is going to use it when you are using these variables in another module. Okay, when you are going to use this function or variables in another python file, so these are will play the role, but anyway these are not required for us, but python pvm is going to use for this for their internal purpose. Okay, their internal purpose pvm is going to use this, but we are not required to use, and we are not required to understand what is this information, right? So this is nothing but finding members of module by using dir function. Observe here, normally python provides inbuilt, okay, inbuilt function. Okay, python provides inbuilt function dir to list out all members. Okay, list out all members of current list out all members of current module or a specified module or a specified module. Okay, python provides inbuilt function dir function to list out all members of current module or a specified module. Okay, or a specified module. Clear? Next, note. Okay, note. dir function. Okay, dir function to list out all members of current module. Okay, to list out all members of to list out all members of current to list out all members of current module. Okay, to list out all members of current module. Next, dir of module name. Okay, dir of module name to list out all members of specified module. Okay, list out to list out all members of to list out all members of specified module. Okay, all members of specified module. Okay, normal dir function without parameter is going to print list out all members of current module. Okay, it is giving current module. But if you are giving dir module name to list out all members of specified module. Okay, to list out all members of specified module, right? So next program, example 2, example 2. Okay, to display to display members of to display members of particular module, to display members of particular module, to display members of particular module. Anyway, for scimath.py we have some information, right? So anyway, scimath.py having some information variable and two functions and some other information. So now here what I am doing means on this module, okay, on this module I am calling, okay, I am calling scimath, okay, scimath. But make sure if we are using scimath, so we are asking provide specified information from this module. We are asking to provide specified information from this module. But if we are using directly this, is it going to work? Okay, is it going to work directly? No. So directly it is not going to work. Error. Okay, directly it is not going to work. Why it will not work? Because we mentioned Sai math, but what is that Sai math? Like it is going to confuse and it is going to give that error as a name error. Sai math is not defined. Okay, name error Sai math is not defined. Right? So for that what we have to use? Import Sai math. Import Sai math. Clear? Now observe here, we won't get any error now. Okay, now we won't get any error. This is Sai Math reloading module. This is Sai Math reloading module. And some information addition and something information. And if you observe here, here also it is providing some additional information which is not required for us, but it is providing the information addition product and the X variable. Only those are available in Sai Math. X variable addition product. Clear? Addition product and X. So only these functions are available and those are only it is providing. Okay, those are only it is providing. Clear? This is nothing but what finding members of module by using dir function. Okay, finding members of module by using what dir function. Clear? So in the next session, okay, in the next session, I'm going to explain about a special variable name. Okay, special variable name is nothing but a underscore underscore name underscore underscore. Okay, underscore underscore name underscore underscore. That is what I'm going to explain as part of in the next session. Clear? So please subscribe to my channel, friends. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please encourage me for more videos on technical. Okay, it's Python, Java, Linux, and every technology with respect to data science libraries also. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.